So we are copying this password from what we got from the level 8, and we are moving to the next level 9. Natas 9, and the password is what we got. So here is also saying find a word containing. It's a search process. You can see by viewing the content, and they have give a link to view the source code. Then go and check the link. Within the link you can able to understand, yeah, in a searching process they are using this text file as a source. The word we are giving in the search box is searching in this dictionary file. So you can search that, you can see to the search functions is written in a shell script. That means grep command is written as in a shell script. So we already know where the password is stored from for the Natas this Wargame. As I told in the first video, the Natas instructions they have given, they have storing the all the Natas password in the directory, and inside the etc directory Natas web pass. There's another directory which containing each levels files with the password. So we are also willing to write the script containing in order to get all the output of the password file here. So in the search process we have need to conclude the thing whatever we are entering here by putting a semicolon. Then simply put a cat statement, which is we are already using in the shell scripting to printing the to create or to print the statements, to print the values in a file or as well as get as an output. So here etc and the web pass, that means I have already typed here. Yeah, but make sure you are need to get the password for the next level. So here you have need to give after the Natas web pass, better to make sure that you are giving the another level when you are in the 9 level. That means you are in currently 9, and but you need to know the next level password. So make a search on this one, and yeah, you will get a list of bunch of things which can be available in the dictionary text, as well as the password text password file which containing the next level password. So this is the 10th level password, and I am just copying it and moving to the next level, 10th level. #10, and the password is this one. Here is also same as the 9th level. Here they are saying for the security reasons we now filter on certain character. So the thing they are saying is they have filtered some certain character, means they have blocked the single quote, the semicolon, and signs, the things what we are used normally to break the statements. So the thing is suggested to us to use, we have need to go to the wildcard symbol. So in order to give the wildcard symbol, first am going to write what what our what our thing is previously what we willing to do. So here make sure you are using that, you need to know the next password. Here this is the previous command we used for the level 9, but if you click the search, input contain an illegal character. So the same as tick this one. The thing is it's not accepting this cat and the semicolon. So the reason of going to use the wildcard round is this. So this wildcard round will bypass this kind of validation. instead of the blocked thing. That means this code is already securely filtered one, so the why they didn't give the wildcard exception, so we are using it as a loophole to enter into the password directory in order to get the next level password. Here you can see the Natas 11th password is this. So copy it and move to the next level. This level is something bit harder. The thing is, when you are seeing the source code, you will understand why it's something harder. The thing is, here you can see the created cookie is protected with the base 64 encoded in XOR encryption. So the thing is, the above thing, what's the show password and the BG color, which pass through the PHP code produce the encrypted XOR string and the string stored in the cookie. Here the things are the plain stored in the cookies, and we can able to see the ciphertext of the cookie. That means the current cookie of this one. So go to the Google, that means cookie manager, and here you can see Natas 11. This is the content of the current cookie, but it's a ciphertext which is encrypted by the XOR encryption. And as well as to find the key used in the XOR encryption process, we need to modify the XOR encryption PHP function by replacing the default data, which is containing the show password and the BG color variable with the ciphertext, and the key variable with the array. That means we have need to get the key in, because we are having the default data values and the ciphertext of the cookie content, but we don't know the what is the encryption key in order to decrypt those things. So in order to get the key, we have need to write a PHP function again. So the first PHP function I have written to get the key. That means key what is used to encrypt the content of the cookie. So the code I have written already. So this function is directly I have taken from the source code of the current web page. Here you can see this is the function XOR encrypt. So I have just taken that function and copied it, but I have put a new parameter here as a key in order to get the key. And as well as I am getting the default data, and I have created a cookie value assigning with the current cookie content, which I shown to get that how to get that value by the cookie manager, or else I can show this one. Go to the tool I am having here is a cookie manager, and you can see what cookie is created for this one is Natas 11. So this is the thing, what's the content of the cookie I have created there. So then I need to decode the cookie. This is I have already solved is a cipher content. So then again I am putting this, assigning this value into key, and I am printing this key. So when you are execute the code, you can see this is the output, and it's you can view it's sequentially repeating. Q88JQ is sequentially repeating again and again. So the thing is, we got the key, and but we don't know what is the content we need to execute in the query in order to get the result. So we have collected the key and then have a modification on the PHP code what we wrote. So a simple modification, this is also same as previous one. I am having a default data, but the thing is, you in the previous one you give it as no, but here you want to give it as yes, and the bg color is same, and that's their attributes. And here I am creating a new cookie with the ciphertext encryption as well as the key. What I got from here is qw8j again q. So then I am executing this code. Yeah, it's having some errors, but as well as we have got this as a key for the next level. So I am just copying it and go to our source code, go to our web page, and I have need to set the cookie content as like this. So I am need to edit this one by using this cookie manager. I paste the thing what I have copied from the actual thing and I have saved it, and I close it. The thing is, I have some problems in my cookie creation, that content is I can't be able to change. So the actual thing what wants to be output in the website in order to get the next level password is this one. But at the end of the video I can provide my website address which contain all this JavaScript source as well as the demonstration of the following follow through process of the Natas Wargame. So I've just have got this for first time only because of my cookie creation problem. So I'm just directly copying it and I am moving to the next level. Yeah, here you can see it's asking us to browse a file. Yeah, in the manually they are saying choose a JPG to upload, and it's having the max, it need to be a maximum of 1 KB. Just go and check the source code. You can understand this file is not validated by its file type. That means it's not only this is not must be a JPG. So then we can have an idea what we use PHP file. That means if we created a code and PHP and if we upload the PHP file to this code, what will happen? So that is the solution here. We need to say this as a JPG file, but we need to put the PHP file in order to have the attack on us. So I have already created a PHP here. The PHP file I can show it with you. This is the PHP file. As we already know, this is the place where the Natas Wargame is storing his password, and I am writing a cat command. I'm writing this one using the cat command in a PHP file. So the next thing is I need to browse the file. Here that file is Natas 112. So before going to upload the file, make it sure you have need to bypass the client side validation, because they have defaultly give a JPG format in order to avoid this kind of attacks. So here I am just changing the JPG into PHP, and after that I am uploading this one. So here you can see you uploaded one file, code is executed. This is the password for the next level, that is a 13th level for you. So close this inspect element and Natas 13th, and the password is this one. So this also same as the level 12, but here it's mentioning for security reasons we now only accept the image file. That means they have filtered that they have filtered their file uploadation into that must be a JPG in the server side. So in order to write a PHP code, we need to firstly mention it that we need to be act as this is a PHP, this is as an image file. So let's see what is the PHP code we can write. Yeah, here the same as the first one, PHP code, but at the starting point we have saying this is a BMP file. So it's BMP file is a type of an image file. So we are just predicating the server to accept our file. This is as a image file. So just I'm uploading this one. This is in the Natas 13, and the same procedure I have need to bypass the client side validation as well. So in the content div there is a form, and the form contain a default image with JPEG. So I am mentioning it as JPG and I am uploading this file. So this is the password for your 14th level. Thank you for watching these videos. My next video will be following this course. That means in my YouTube playlist I will add the continuous video. Thank you.